How to send message from a Facebook page using Meta Business Suite. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily send message from your Facebook page with Meta Business Suite. First thing you want to do is log into your Facebook page over here, which I've already done. Now I have my store page. What I can do is click on the profile icon over here on the left side, and then you can manage your messages from Meta Business Suite. So previously it was known as Facebook Business Manager, but right now it's converted to a different name. Click on Meta Business Suite, and it will take you over to your Business Manager. And here, as you can see on the messages section, you'll find it under to-do list. If you don't see it, you'll find the inbox section on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on inbox, and you'll find all of the messages available over here. And not only your Facebook messages or Messenger messages, you could also manage your Instagram messages if you connect your Instagram account. So if you connect it, log into your Instagram account, click on continue, and it will allow access to your Instagram pages messages as well. So that's basically it, guys. And once you have done that, you can even reply to the messages from here. I'll go to all messages, go to this particular message, and I'll just write something like, "Hello, how can I help you?" So you can write these conversations over here, and if they view your message, you should be able to see it. As you can see here, their profile will move down below over here, and you should be able to see the messages over there. So that is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.